Hi, this is John with WTI. And whenever I'm trying to do any hardcore activities or if I need just a little bit of burst of energy, I'm getting older, that's right. This is where this ice energy sparkling drink comes into place. And this is the berry blast flavor. And this is where the good parts comes in. The vitamins, this adds electrolytes, is no sugar added. And let me tell you something. The flavor, it's good. Sometimes you would think, okay, it's no added sugar, so it's about to taste really bad. But this actually has a really nice flavor. I took this the other day for before doing any hardcore activities where I'm about to drop a lot of calories, running around, working out, or playing basketball for hours. And it definitely hit. It gave me a lot of energy. This has this nice set of electrolytes and caffeine that is going to build you up with a lot of energy. And that's what happened to me, my experience, without sacrificing any taste at all. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.